Educate Bilingual Program by Richmond, Year 1A.
Hello everyone, it's time for our English class. Hooray! Yeah, it's time for our English class, our bilingual English class. And today's class is very special. Very special. It's a cooking class. I'll give you tips of this recipe. It's a pencil wafer recipe and it serves 3 people. It makes 3 servings. Look, that's what I'll show you. The recipe of pencil wafer like that. Okay? We're gonna make those things. Teacher, what do we need to make those pencil wafers? Well, first of all, let's check our utensils, the equipment, the tools that we'll need. We'll need paper plates, okay, just one paper plate, plastic knives, okay, and piping bags or plastic bags. These are the utensils that you need. Paper plates, plastic knives, and piping bags. Or a plastic bag, can be a plastic bag too. Okay, you cut the tip of the plastic bag so you can squeeze the things, the stuff on the pencil, the wafer pencil, okay? And we also need some ingredients. That's right. We've checked the utensils. Now the ingredients. We need 9 long sandwich wafers. Okay. Well, it can be 3 because it's 3 per student. We need some frosting or whipped cream. Frosting or whipped cream. Enough to fill a piping per bag. Okay, a piping bag per group. 9 mini chocolate chips, any brand that you prefer, and 9 pink fruit juice. Okay, bubble gums can be too, as long as they are pink, because the wafer, okay, the sandwich wafer will be the pencil. Okay, the frosting will be part of the pencil. The chocolate chip will be the tip of your pencil. And the pink chewing gum, the pink bubble gum will be the eraser on your pencil. All right? Well, let's go for it. Get all the stuff. Okay, you can watch the video and buy the stuff later. You don't have to make it right away, but watch the video. Watch this video and you can make this recipe. It's delicious and is very easy to make. All right, so here are the instructions. First of all, you cut the wafer in the shape of a pencil. All right, it's like a triangle here. All right, hold the pencil, the wafer sandwich, and cut like a triangle so you can make the tip, the shape of a pencil. After that, you make a white tip. Use the piping bag for that. You can squeeze your piping bag so you can make a white tip of your pencil. And after that, use a mini chocolate chip as the pencil lead. All right? All right, that's what you're gonna do. This is step 3. After that, here's what you will do. You make a white end. Yeah, we have a white tip and we have also a white end. Use the piping bag for that with the frosting or whipped cream. On number 5, step 5, use a pink fruit juice as the eraser. Doesn't have to be a fruit chew, all right? The book suggests that, but you can use a bubble gum, you can use a chewing gum as long as it's pink, because it resembles the eraser, the rubber at the edge of your pencil. All right, and let the pencil wafer set. You can make them, put in a plate, and that's it. Enjoy your pencil wafers. All right? So, What did you think about that idea? Is it nice? So I want to see your paper, your pencil wafers, okay? I want to see those pencil wafers and I want to see you eating them. All right? Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching our pencil wafer recipe. Bye-bye, my friend. See you soon. Bye.